All right, what's up, guys? This is the 2015 AB exam number 5. This is a derivative graph, and it's a pretty easy one. So you're given the graph of f prime. You're told there are horizontal tangents where it looks like there would be. And you're given the areas between -2 and 1 and between 1 and 4. Part A asks to find all x coordinates where f has a relative max. Well, maxes occur when the derivative changes from positive to negative. That's only happening right here, okay? So x equals -2, and then there's your explanation. Part B, on what open intervals between -3 and 4 is the graph of f both concave down and decreasing? And then give a reason. Okay, so generally I think about these in order of derivatives. So if f is decreasing, that means that f prime is negative. And f prime is negative in here, okay? And if f is concave down, that means that f double prime is negative, and f double prime is the slope of f single prime. And so in the region I'm allowed to look at, I've got negative slope here, and I've got negative slope here. So between -2 and -1, and between 1 and 3, both f prime and f double prime are negative. Part C, find the x coordinates of all points of inflection for the graph of f, and then give a reason for your answer. Okay, so inflection points occur when the second derivative changes sign. Another way to say that are mins and maxes of the first derivative or relative extrema of the first derivative. So I have relative extrema of the first derivative at those points right there, -1, 1, and 3. All right, part D, it's given that f of 1 is equal to 3. There's your initial condition. That's a big deal. Write an expression for f of x that involves an integral, okay? So if we're going to go from f prime to f, we have to integrate, and we have this initial condition. So f is equal to, there's my initial condition right there, and then I'm going to some x value, all right, integrating f prime. And I just used t so that it was an x. It can be any variable that you want. Okay, and then you're supposed to use it to find f of 4 and f of -2. So f of 4 is equal to 3 plus the integration from 1 to 4. All right, so my 3 is my 3 right there. And you're told that the area between 1 and 4 is 12 units. Now, that's to the right and below of my starting point. So it counts negative. So 3 minus 12 is -9. And then you're supposed to find f of -2. Again, start at your initial condition. And this time we're going to -2. So I'm going this direction. So I'm going in a negative direction, but I'm also below. So we've got that double negative happening right there. So 3 plus 9 is 12. All right.